Okay, first question na talaga natin ito, guys. Okay. So, ang unang sasagot ay si Kim and then si Pao. Have you ever told a white lie to get out of trouble?
Yes.
Uy, truth!
Thank you. Honesty is the best policy.
Kay Pao?
Yes.
Truth! Nag-stalk na kayo sa isa't isa? Pag mga, kunwari, di kayo magkasama, ganyan.
Yes or no lang pala ang sagot. Yes naman. Search lang.
Pao, oh, Pao.
Yes.
Galingan mo sa mga... Ah! Kim, galingan mo sa mga selfie mo talaga. Sinustok ka man. Do you think you're better at keeping secrets?
No.
Yes.
Truth! Next, do you secretly check your fans' tweets about you?
Yes.
Yes.
Truth! Do you think Kim, Paolo, would make a good partner in real life?
Yes. Wala na smile siya.
Hindi, kasi natatawa ako sa reaction. Ikaw sumagot sa lahat.
Gari ka
Ikaw sumagot, tapos ikaw kinilig. Di ba? Yes.
Pao, ano naman characteristics ni Kim at nasabi mo yung good partner in life siya?
Kasi nakikita mo, nasa baybayan naman ang lahat ng tao. Paano sinuporta natin lahat ni Kim yung pamilya.
Do you think Kim, Paolo, is your type in real life?
May type in real life? No.
Ala! Ay, mag-explain ka! Bakit? Ba't mo dininay?
Gobi naman yan sa pagkalay, oy!
So, ibig sabihin, type mo siya.
Oh, nilalong ko lang si kuya.
Do you think Kim is your type in real life?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Sanay naman ako masaktan.
Yes.
Naiinitan na ako.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung magsisimula ko.
Would you trust Kim or Paolo's character in real life?
Yes.
Truth.
No.
Why? Have you ever thought of quitting acting?
Yes.
Truth.
Yes.
Sabay ba kayo mag-quit? Ha? Huwag mo na, uy. Last question. Do you think you could lie and get away with it like your character?
No. Sinungaling pa rin talaga. So, kaya ko magsinungaling.
Yes.
Uy.
No, honesty is the best policy pa talaga.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so much.